Hello, little sailors. I'm Captain Shapes, and today we're going to learn about shapes. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Great. Let's go. First shape, the triangle. Look, this is a triangle. Can you say it with me? Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Can you see a triangle around you? Maybe a slice of pizza or a party hat. Triangles are everywhere. Say it again. Triangle. Now let's meet the circle. This is a circle. Can you say circle? Circle. A circle is round. It goes around and around and around, and it never stops. Can you draw a circle in the air with your finger? Go around and around and around. Good job. Let's say it again. Circle, circle, circle. Now it's time for the square. Here comes a square. Can you say square? Square. A square has 4 sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squares are strong and steady. You can find them in windows, in boxes, even in sandwiches. Let's shout it together. Square. All right, sailors, let's do a shape song. Triangle, triangle, 3 little sides. Circle, circle, round it slides. Square, square, 4 sides too. Shapes are fun for me and you. That was amazing. Now let's play a quick game. I will say the name of a shape, and you shout it back as loud as you can. Triangle. Pause. Circle. Pause. Square. Pause. Fantastic. You are the best sailors ever. Today we learned triangle, circle, and square. Next time, we'll discover even more shapes. Maybe a star, maybe a heart, who knows? Until then, keep looking for shapes all around you. They're hiding everywhere. Goodbye, little sailors. See you next time with Captain Shapes.